Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto JJC YouTube channel. I'm a place where we believe say nobody's happy pass, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy and sell crypto via the P2P feature on Binance. First of all, I would like to apologize for the background noise in the video. The generator is running, and without out of the way, let us get straight into business. So when you once you install your application and verify and all, you are automatically on the Binance Lite version of the app by default. So what you want to do is to switch to the Binance Professional, because that's where you'll be doing most of the trading, and it just has more features as the name implies. So you'd follow this cursor, because I would be using it to point out positions on my screen before I click them. So to switch to Binance Professional, what you want to do is to come to this little guy here and click, then switch this button off, and the Binance Professional is going to load. If this is your first time doing that, you probably find this place a little different, and if it isn't, kudos to you. You can click right here and it will take you I think about 2 steps ahead. But then say you are brought onto this page with limited features, which after a few days would update, by the way. You'd come to wallets here, you click on wallets, and you most likely would be on spot. So what you want to do is switch to P2P here on this very edge, then you click on P2P trading. Once you get on P2P trading, you'll be brought here. It might be a little different for you, and if it is, most times it's either here or here or both that's going to be different. So you might by default be on the express side of things, and here on the USD side of things. So what you want to do, if you are on this, you are brought to this page, is to click on express here and switch to P2P, and click on USD here and switch to NGN, Nigerian Naira. Once you do that, you would land on this page. So I would briefly describe what you're seeing here. So the vendor that is here, this is the vendor name, Mr. Sam, Golden Hub, Culiano, and this is the price that they are willing to sell for, and this is the quantity of USDT they have, 1494.27. Golden Hobby has 3,345,000 USDT, and the limit here implies that the least is willing to sell is 200,000, and the max is willing to sell is 738,244.09, and 100,000 is the least Golden Hub wants to sell. So let's assume that you want to get for, say, 20,000 naira, and you can see that a lot of the people listed here have 200,000, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, and you don't want to like keep scrolling. To make it easier, you want to come to this little funnel here on the left of this calendar guy. You click on it, and it's going to bring you here. You want to type in the amount that you want, say 20,000. Click somewhere outside this thing. The keyboard is going to drop, and you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, this page is going to be updated with price ranges that you want to buy. So what you are going to do. Most times the first vendor would be the cheapest, sometimes by a few cents, sometimes by a few dollars, as you can see. So we want to click on values underscore u to buy. By the way, when you see this, the tick, it shows that it's an approved vendor, but in my experience of acquiring tokens, I've not had issues with anybody. So when you want to, unless you are getting BNB, because BNB has been doing phenomenal the past few days, unless you're getting BNB, you want to get either USDT or BUSD. They are stable coins and they are not prone to volatility like the other coins. So we proceed by clicking on buy here, input the price that we want, 20,000, and click on buy. Then once you click on buy, this page loads. Once this page loads, you would see the amount of USDT you'd be getting. Then you click on payment method here. It's always better to pay bank to bank. It makes your life easier, it makes your transaction happen faster. Then from here you can go into your bank app, input the details of this person, then pay. Once you've paid, you want to come here and click that you've done the transfer, and you click transferred next. Once you do that, you want to pay. I'm not planning to buy at the moment, but I'm going to add a screenshot of what the page is going to look like once your USDT has been released. So I'm going to go back here, because you don't want this timer to count down. You might get in trouble with Binance, and you don't want to get in trouble with Binance. So once your token has been released, you want to transfer from your P2P to your sports wallet. So to transfer from your P2P to your sports wallet, you want to from your P2P to your sports wallet, you want to click on transfer here, then transfer here. Then you're going to switch this BTC to USDT. So it will be in your search history after you've done it once. So you search for USDT, you click on it, then you can see from P2P wallet to spot. So you want to click on max. Max is going to populate this input box with the total amount of USDT that you've bought. Once you've done that, you click on confirm, and you can go back, and your USDT would be located in your spot wallet. From this page, you go back, and under here you would have your new balance. You have your new balance in USDT. So if you got like $20 worth, you would get about 40 USDT. If you get for 10,000, you get like $20 USDT. So once your balance reflects here, you want to transfer from P2P to your sports wallet. So to transfer from P2P to your sports wallet, you click on USDT here, then it's going to bring you here. You click on transfer, click on transfer. It's going to bring you here. Then here where it has BTC, you search for USDT. And you select. It's going to show the balance. You type in the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and if you want to transfer, or you click on max here, and it's going to it's going to populate here with all the USDT that you've got. Once you've done that, you want to click confirm, and immediately your balance would appear in your spot wallet. So that is how to buy and sell. That is how to buy. Basically, to sell is practically the same thing. You move your USDT to your P2P, then you go into P2P trading, you select sell here, check for the amount, or filter the amount that you would like to sell, put in the amount, say 100k, click outside, click on confirm. It will be populated with, this page will be populated with people that are within the price range that you want. Once you click on sell, you impute the price that you want to sell, and the process is basically the same thing. You wait for the funds to enter your account, then you release after you confirm that you've been credited only. And yeah, so that's the video for today. Thanks for your time. Bye.